In this video, I'm going to talk about what to do when your contractor installed the wrong tile and how you can fix that mess without losing your cool or breaking the bank. Alright, so first off, if you notice your contractor put down the wrong tile, don't just sit there stressing. The best move is to double check the contract or the order confirmation to see what tile you actually agreed on. That way, you have your facts straight before you say anything. Next, snap some clear photos of the tile installed versus the one you wanted. This helps when you're talking with your contractor or even if you need to escalate things later. Reach out to your contractor as soon as possible and explain the issue calmly but firmly, because sometimes it's just a mix-up and they'll want to fix it fast. If the wrong tile is still available and hasn't been used elsewhere, there's a chance they can swap it out without much hassle. But if the tile is discontinued or custom, you might need to negotiate for a replacement that's as close as possible or ask for a discount since it's their mistake. Keep all your communication in writing, texts, or emails, so you have proof of what was said and agreed on. Lastly, if things get sticky and your contractor isn't cooperating, don't hesitate to contact local consumer protection or a mediation service to help sort it out without going full legal. One of the biggest mistakes people make with contractor tile installs is not inspecting the materials before installation. Like, you gotta check those boxes before they start laying stuff down so you catch errors early. Another common problem is poor communication, where homeowners don't clearly state their preferences or changes, which leads to confusion and mistakes like wrong tile colors or sizes. Lastly, some folks forget to get everything in writing, which can turn into a nightmare if there's a dispute, because then it's just he said, she said with no backup. If you're ever stuck trying to find reliable help or want to avoid these headaches from the jump, bighomeprojects.com is a solid spot where homeowners get connected with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to find new projects and clients without all the usual hassle of marketing.